Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Bridge to Terabithia. Okay, so I've told you don't judge a book by its cover. This cover is awful, but this book is great. It is a classic, it's won lots of awards, and it's great for any type of reader. So in this book, Jess's greatest ambition has always been to be the fastest runner in his grade. He has been practicing all summer long, and he cannot wait to get back to school to see the faces of all of his classmates when he beats them. But on the first day of school, a girl crosses over to the boys' side and ends up beating everybody. That's not really a great start to a friendship, but Jess and Leslie are quickly best friends and are inseparable. Together, they create Terabithia, a magical kingdom in the woods where only their imagination is their limits. Then one day, Leslie goes to Terabithia without Jess, and a tragedy occurs. It will take the love of his family and the strength that Leslie has taught him to overcome this tragedy. To find out what happens, read The Bridge to Terabithia. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.